Barely 24 hours of inauguration, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa don't meet with Nigeria President Bola Tinubu for Johannesburg on Thursday, 20th June 2024. Before they enter closed-door discussions to try strengthen bilateral relations for Nigeria President Hotel, President Ramaphosa can thank President Tinubu where he take come attend the second tenure inauguration, while President Tinubu contrary salute for Ramaphosa's speech for him talk about the common African challenges.
Very impressive outing, particularly forming a government of national unity to stabilize the polity, and that is coming at a very challenging time for the rest of us in Africa to really come up with collaborative economics that will help our downtrodden and vulnerable people.
It's been a real pleasure to meet President Tinubu, and I felt very honored to have him at my inauguration yesterday. It was a moment that lifted my spirits and gave a huge encouragement to us as South Africans that the president of an important country like Nigeria, largest country by population on the continent and large economy, could come and be in attendance at my inauguration. It's a great honor and a really great privilege. And I feel at home as well to have this moment, to have a discussion with President Tinubu on a whole range of issues. And of course, we've set up a government of national unity, and I'm particularly pleased that the African continent has responded very positively to the news that we will continue stabilizing the politics of our country, but more importantly, that through the government of national unity, we're setting a very strong foundation for economic growth and to be able to attract investments. But for me, what matters most is to be able to have very good economic links with Nigeria. The two countries, South Africa and Nigeria, are very important in our continent, and when the two countries work together, which we are, and we do things together, it benefits Africa. It is the two countries that are among the pillars of our continent, and I'm particularly pleased that we support each other internationally at various forums, the UN, in multilateral institutions. Nigeria and South Africa are essentially joined at the hip, and we want to engender good economic and trade relations between our two countries to address the challenges that our two countries face. So it's been a great pleasure and an honor to have you here, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
And that's why I felt I should come and pay my respects.
Una go remember say Ramaphosa win election again on June 14th under government of national unity agreement. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. For TMC TV News, Ekata Ujisele reporting.